Hello, let us solve for A and B given A plus B is equal to 16. AB is equal to 85. Now here, A plus B is equal to 16. Let us call this equation 1. Then AB is equal to 85. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 16. Let us make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 16 minus A. This is equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 85. Now let us substitute for B, which is 16 minus A. Now we have A bracket 16 minus A is equal to 85. Now let us open the bracket with this A. A multiplied by 16, this is 16A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 85. 16A minus A square, if you bring this 85 to this side, it becomes minus 85 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. You have minus A square plus 16A minus 85 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Then minus A square divided by minus 1. This is A square. Then plus 16A divided by minus 1. This is minus 16A. Minus 85 divided by minus 1. This is plus 85 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 16, C is equal to 85. A is equal to minus bracket minus 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 85 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 16. This is 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square, that is 256 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 85, that is 340 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 340, that is minus 84 over 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of minus 84 can be written as square root of 84 multiplied by minus 1. Then over 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 84 can be written as square root of 21 multiplied by 4. Then multiplied by this minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then root 21 all over 2. Now 2 here 1, 2 here 8, 2 here 1. A is equal to 8 plus or minus I root 21. These are the values of A. Therefore, A1 is equal to 8 plus I square root of 21. A2 is equal to 8 minus I square root of 21. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 16 minus A. Now, B1 is equal to 16 minus A1 is 8 plus I root 21. And B2 is equal to 16 minus A2 is 8 minus I square root of 21. B1 is equal to 16 minus 8 minus I root 21. B1 is equal to 16 minus 8, that is 8 minus I root 21. This is the value of B1. Then B2 is equal to 16 minus 8 plus I root 21. B2 is equal to 8 plus I root 21. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 8 plus I root 21, 8 minus I root 21. A2, B2 is equal to 8 minus I root 21, 8 plus I root 21. These are the values of A and B. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.